Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Knowledge and Knowledge Management, which comes under the second module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In the previous lecture, we have discussed classifications of knowledge. Now let's discuss tools for knowledge management. There are a number of tools, web-enabled and IT-driven traditional tools, which form the backbone of knowledge search and subsequently its management. These are support tools or enablers or drivers to manage knowledge initiative. The tools for knowledge management are DBMS tools, process management tools, workflow management tools, enterprise software, agent tools, search engines, and collaborative tools. First one, DBMS tools. In the process of knowledge management, large amount of data needs to be accessed from several sources, which include documents, folders, files, organizations, databases, working for MIS and enterprise software. The process of identification of the knowledge and data required to build needs access to these sources. On accessing the data, its downloading and processing to create knowledge requires a variety of tools. These tools are capable of searching, accessing, cleansing, manipulating, structuring, and storing in the required format. They are broadly called data management tools and database creation tools. Second one, process management tools. These tools include process modeling and diagramming tools. In the knowledge management, initiative phase or needs to study critical business process, production and transaction, which are by themselves knowledge repositories. These processes are evolved over a period out of experience in using them. The study of these processes require modeling tools for process abstraction, for benchmarking and for setting the target, diagramming for details, and then for re-engineering and process analysis. Third one, workflow management tools. Workflow management tools focus on management of documents, content management on the trial of work center. Different people in the organization contribute to workflow by sharing their specific expertise for completion of process. These tools are capable of handling the multimedia used in workflow. In knowledge management process, development and application, workflow management tools are used for design and implementation. Fourth one, enterprise software. These software packages are tools for managing resources, supply capabilities, and relations with customers and business partners. These packages in the execution process develop knowledge which is not systematically recorded or designed to store. The databases, files, and folders of these packages have a hidden knowledge. The enterprise software are implemented using best practices of executing a task which is knowledge for others to use. The knowledge is then extracted by data management tools and process mapping tools. Fifth one, agent tools. Agent tools are autonomous programs designed to perform a specific task. Agents can be designed to search information based on supporting input data specification. Intelligent agents will be able to handle context-relevant information seeking. These embedded in the system will offload the work put in by knowledge workers to seek information and knowledge from the repositories. Sixth one, search engines. Search engines are designed to search information based on search inputs given to the engine. Some search engines are generic and customized to specific domain. Seventh one, collaborative tools. Collaborative working for knowledge sharing is a necessity. These tools help in setting up bulletin boards, real-time video conferencing, and chat sessions. In this lecture, we have discussed the tools for knowledge management. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.